Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this thing too. I ain't gonna drink all this. That's why I need a GoPro. CBD?
So busy looking, boy.
Yeah, you can't see everything.
Joe King.
There's so much coming at you.
If you don't come with me, you will not get a cookie. So you get to decide.
Oh yeah, he gotta have a cookie. He gotta get a cookie, bro. Oh shoot, I don't either. That's why we gotta Uber. I ain't wanna walk. And shoot, I would have ate that big healthy cheese thing. Woo. Woohoo. Feeling all right now. Feel nice and full. Nice pretty day. Give it that. Put a little cast over. Gonna check some things out. That's nice right there. Plumber. I'm just doing this filming purposes.
Look at that, cobblestone in front of the street.
Oh,
So the road used to be cobblestone, but they covered it over.
oh well, you know this is an old.
Yeah, historic area.
Yeah. It looks delicious. Yes, it looks good. Ooh. I don't know if it's passing or not. I didn't know which way she was going. The bus driver pointed to her, to that other car that was coming. Their little guard. That's small. That's pretty though. I bet you them they look nice inside. I bet they look nice inside. A big window right there too.
You know that little plant?
That's what we call a bay window when it sticks out like that.
I guess he about to turn.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I waited for you to come on. I'm sorry. Okay. He'll be all right. Ain't nothing behind him. Yeah, I bet those houses are nice. That's nice. There are a whole bunch of balloons in there. Must have had some.
Gym.
Uh-huh. Okay. It must have had some kind of celebration. You know what? I was just about to ask, did it say we getting any closer? Oak. Oh, that's oak. You got some strong trees there. Think he got that cookie? Think he got that cookie? It looked like.
They don't look like they do
No, no. I'm getting that daggone cookie if I was him. Matter of fact, I'll bribe to get 2. And they better be them big cookies.
That's one historical marker.
Okay. Oh, okay. I know this, I heard of this name.
The people living or
Mm-hmm. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, because I look over there, got cars and stuff with people living there. Yeah.
well, I live in too damn. So people probably just living, made apartments out of it.
Uh-huh. And they keeping them safe because they got bars. Oh man, my fault. They got bars all over the windows. They got bars everywhere. So see, that's what I got to do. That's what I want to find. But that's a little bit too big. You can get around with that thing. Don't look. Oh, of course.
Money.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man, that's that Mercedes. Yeah. Oh yeah. We made it to some part. Independence Building. That's what this one is. Mm-hmm.